Okay, part 2. Chicken noodle soup. Got the meat right here. I'm just gonna have to hang on. That's just enough water in there. Alright, gonna start marinating. Remember, we put the basics in the pan, in the pot. I already got oil in the pot. All we need to do is just to marinate it with flavour. Let's put some comma in. Let's put the allspice, mixed spice. It's good to have flavours in first, right? Well, there's many ways you can put in flavours. Whatever flavours you want that goes together. Whoa, okay, too much. Alright. I put in too much mixed spice. Oops. That's okay. A little bit. We just put more comma. Come on. Some more of that. Pepper. Put it all back. Let's put some curry powder. And the curry. And so we are going to put a lot. That will do. Do. Let's put in some soy sauce. As well. We're not putting any ginger, we're just going to put garlic and onion. So we're going to put that into the fridge. And put some sour cream. Maybe it's gonna be a bit spicy, right? So why not that's 2 teaspoons, and then we 2 teaspoons of sour cream because it'll be kind of spicy because the spices that I got, the kari kofta and the other one, can be very spicy. So we need to turn it down a bit. Let's add a little squirt of mayo. Just a little squirt. Squirt. How's that sound? There we go. I don't want my dad to burn his mouth. But I get my mayo tomorrow. This is from Dad. Okay, put this on the eat. See you for the actual cooking.